Hi guys, Cindy is Supposedly Chic and welcome to my keto vlog. I had a whole lot of really cool things happen this week and I can't wait to share them all with you. So if you're ready, why don't we get started right about now. Good morning everybody. It is first day back at the gym. As you can see, it is the crack of dawn. And I'm starting easy. You know, I was doing some kind of CrossFit / using the sleds, using the ropes, etc. It's kind of hard, I think, to get back into it, but I have to because for me, I like to be, it feels strong, and I haven't felt strong for a while. So we're driving. This is fun. The nice thing about going to the gym first thing in the morning, to be honest with you, is A, there's not a whole lot of traffic, and B, there's not a whole lot of people at the gym, especially it's summertime. So I'll be able to get in, get all the machines I want to get to, and then get out and head back home. So we'll check in after the gym and I will let you know. See, normally that turn takes me forever, but there's no cars. So yeah, I will let you know how it all goes. Oh, that was good, guys. That was really good. Now it's time to get ready and head to work. Hello, everybody. Cindy is Supposedly Chic, and welcome to week number 5 of my keto vlog, of our Keto Chic vlog. We have a bunch of cool things to talk to you about today. As you can see, we got our Keto Krate in, and we're going to open that. I haven't even opened it yet, guys. I'm waiting a day and a half to film this so we can do this together. And then we also are going to talk about the Keto Mojo glucose monitor. Sort of an average week. Went to the gym, back to the gym as you saw for the first time in a year, and one minor mistake, I think. I thought, oh heck, I can do all the same exercises. So if I kind of look like sort of a not able to move old person right now, it's because I sort of overworked my upper body and I am sore as heck. So let's go ahead and start with our Keto Krate. If you don't know about Keto Krate, if you see the rest of my channel, I love unboxings, whether it's clothes or FabFitFun. Keto Krate is a monthly keto snack box. So they send it to you every 4 weeks, and there is a minimum of 8 keto snacks inside of this box. So I'm very excited to open up this box and see what's in it. Are you guys excited? Let's do it. Okay, so I was not lying when I said that I really have not opened this. So we're gonna open this seal right now, and I will show you what I see when I open the box. So, cool information up here about Keto Krate. June 2018, it looks like it sort of talks about and gives nutritional information on every one of the snacks. Oh, look at that, guys. Keto Krate 15% off on a box. So I will put that down below in the notes of the description so you guys can try it as well. And now what do we have? First item. Just the Cheese Crunchy Mini Toasted Cheese, Wisconsin and Cheddar. We've talked in previous episodes, I love cheesy snacks. We also have Protes protein chips. Let's see if it has a flavor. Zesty Nachos. Looks a little bit like Doritos. It's a small bag though. I'm gonna tell you this whole top part right here is completely empty. And that's the amount of chips that are in there. So not a great snack product, but we'll talk about all that in a second. Oh, we got the Fat Snax cookies. Have you guys tried these? These are keto cookies. These are chocolate chip, and there's 2 cookies per package. Legendary Foods Tangy Ranch Seasoned Almonds. You know, nuts are a great keto snack, and if you can get them flavored, it's probably even better. Okay, guys, it looks like these are a couple different tea bags. We have a chamomile tea bag and a Sari Songit lime and ginger tea bag. So those are 2 different teas to try because of course we know there's no carbs in tea. It's a nice, you can either make it warm or iced, and it's kind of just a nice drink to have in the middle of your day. All right, here we have a sample 3-pack of apple cider vinegar, cayenne, lemon, cinnamon, ginger probiotics. It looks like they are like powdered individuals that you would just put in some water, but we'll read a little bit more about those in a second. Energize that good gut bacteria that we all need. Guys, I've barely even gotten into this thing. I'm kind of excited. Fully cooked hickory smoked bacon. Slim Jim. No, I'm just kidding. It's Mission Meats Graze sticks. Looks like a Slim Jim, but I'm sure it's much healthier for you than Slim Jims are, right? Graze stick number 2. Looks like they are the same flavoring, so just we got 2 of those sticks in this box. Okay guys, this is grain-free real bread hamburger bun mix. Looks like you take this, you add some water, some egg whites, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So we might need to try this out to make some keto buns. We got us a big old fat dill pickle in pickle juice. I don't know if you guys know, but if you're feeling that kind of keto flu symptoms, pickle juice is great. You take a couple sips of it when you feel kind of crappy, and it's supposed to help you feel better, give you some of those electrolytes. But this is one whole big fat dill pickle. And it looks like the last item that we have, oh God, this is so awesome, guys. I was actually looking at this on Amazon. It's the Alterna Sweets Sweet and Smoky Original Barbecue Sauce. I'm gonna double check and look at all the nutrition facts for you, but from what I understand, this is sugar-free, and I think it's only like 3 or 4 net carbs. So guys, if you look at what we got in our box, that's an awful lot of stuff. The box is $34.99 a month. Let's just look at everything that's here. All right, so we look at everything that's here, guys. We kind of have a whole gamut from like sweet to salty to crispy, right? All the good stuff we've been trying to find to sort of make this keto lifestyle a little bit more like our normal lifestyle, right? So we've got crunchies with the cheese and the chips. We've got meaty with the beef sticks and the piece of bacon. We have sweet with the chocolate chip cookie. We have nutty with the tangy ranch almonds. We've got an entire bread mix to try and make some kinds of keto bread. We have a couple tea bags for drinks. We have a dill pickle just because. And we've got barbecue sauce. So let's talk about what all this will do for us as far as carbs and our macros. So the fat snacks is the hardest one to read, so give me a second while I squint. Serving is 2, so 1 cookie is total carbs 7, fiber is 2, sugar alcohol is 3. So that's net carbs of 2 grams for 1 cookie. The cheesy crackers, total carbs are 1, so yeah, almost 0 carbs on this guy, and that is for an entire package. So that's not bad. The protein chips, again, the problem is there's not very many of them in here. It is actually the 1 serving, 1 container, they call it 1 ounce. Total carbohydrates is 7, fiber is 3. So we're looking at 4 net carbs for this package. And then the bacon and the meat, we're not gonna have to worry too much about that. Yeah, 0 carbs on the hickory smoked bacon. And I don't see any nutritional information on the sticks, but I gotta assume they are carb free. They don't say it, but I gotta assume they are. I'll look and see if it's anything in our pamphlet. The tangy ranch almonds. Package size is 1 container, so the entire bag here. Total carbs is 8, dietary fiber is 3, and erythritol is 1, so we're looking at 4 net carbs for a pretty decent amount of almonds, guys. That's a pretty nice size packet. All right, doing these hamburger buns, we're talking about, this is kind of a weird one because it's 2 tablespoons of dry mix, so it doesn't really tell us the total, but again, it's 1 cup of egg whites, water and apple cider vinegar is what you add to it. Total carbs is 5, dietary fiber is 3, so I'm assuming that 2 tablespoons would be 2 net carbs. Probiotics, I gotta think there's nothing in here because it's just apple cider vinegar and spices. Same thing with the tea bags. Our good old pickle here is 1 carb for the, oh no, 1 carb for 1/5 of the pickle. So figure out what 1/5 of that pickle is right there, and that's 1 carb. So 5 carbs for the entire pickle. Doesn't say if it includes the juice or not. And now let's look at our Alterna Sweets barbecue sauce. 7 total carbs, 1 fiber, 2 sugar alcohol. So that gives us 4 net carbs per serving. And a serving is 2 tablespoons. I can see making 2 tablespoons last for, or make 1 serving for, you brushing on either a piece of chicken or a couple ribs. So 4 net carbs to have barbecue sauce makes me kind of a happy girl. Okay guys, so looking at the cheat sheet here, the Mission Meats original Graze sticks are 6 grams of fat and 1 gram of net carbs. So that's not bad for the full stick here. And on here is a recipe for sliders using the bread mix. And it says that the actual sliders themselves, which include all the stuff you need to make the slider buns, 10 ounces of ground beef, pork, or turkey, zucchini, coconut flakes, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and lemon juice to make the burger. And then looks like, oh, actually, you know what it's saying, you guys? It's saying you can slice up the pickle and put that on your burger. You can take these guys and crunch them up, or you can actually throw barbecue sauce on your burger. So all of that is a net carbs of 5. So that's not bad. I am excited that it's a little more than just a snack, because this actually would be part of a meal. So I will start noshing on this stuff over the week, and I will let you know out of here what was my most favorite and what was my least favorite in next week's vlog. So the other thing that I wanted to share with you guys this week is that I purchased the Keto Mojo ketone and blood glucose monitoring system. As you get further into keto, you become what they call fat adapted or keto adapted, which means that your body is now using the ketones that are created to actually burn the fat. And the way that you sort of start to know that is that your keto sticks will start to get lighter. But that's a little bit of a conundrum, because your keto sticks will also get lighter if you have some unexpected or unknown carbs. You know, you eat something you didn't realize have sugar in it, you actually did do a cheat day. So guys, the reason why I wanted to buy the Keto Mojo is over the last, I don't know, week and a half to 2 weeks or so, my keto sticks have been starting to get lighter. Never quite as far down as a trace, but definitely small. And they were very much medium to large for ever since I started ketosis. So there's a part of me that's a little worried. I felt like I was doing everything right, and I felt like I was tracking everything, but gosh, I don't know. Is it my Starbucks drink? You know, did someone put was there some sugar in a dressing out at a restaurant that I didn't realize? And quite honestly, the keto sticks measure your kind of like your excessive ketones. They're the ketones that, quite honestly, quite bluntly, that you pee out because your body isn't using them. So your keto stick, when it gets lighter, could again mean that you've done something wrong and you're sort of getting out of ketosis, or it could mean that you're keto adapted. The number that does not lie is a ketone reading in your blood. And you can only get that by using a ketosis meter. Now let me tell you, I am not a humongous fan of sticking my finger, and I thought about this for a long time. And the first time I actually did the ketone monitor, I had my husband do my stick, because I kept sitting there, guys, I'm not gonna lie, with the Lancet, so I'll show you in a second, going 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe next time. Because why do I want to inflict pain on myself, right? Guys, it doesn't hurt. It was all in my head. So let me show you what comes in the kit. The Keto Mojo, there's a bunch of meters on the market. I looked at a bunch. I looked at some YouTube videos on some differences between the two. Keto Mojo is a great price point, and something that was sort of important to me was a couple different people said that you need less of a blood sample for the Keto Mojo than any of the other ones. You know, because once you prick your finger, you kind of have to squeeze it and make the blood come out. So that made me feel a little bit better, right? I don't want to be squeezing my finger all day. So this is what the Keto Mojo monitor looks like. This is the Lancet, and basically you pull this back and you push the button, and that's actually what pops the Lancet into your finger. And these guys are the actual keto sticks. All right, guys, so the first thing we do is we unlock the top of the Lancet and pull it off. And we go ahead and we set this into the top of the unit, and then we twist off the top, which is going to expose the little needle. We put this back on, slide it down, we lock it into place. Then we pull this back and we cock it, and if you can see, there's a yellow dot there now that shows that it is cocked and ready to go. Now we're going to turn on our keto meter. We're going to put the reader chip into the top of it. So now we're going to pop this baby on our finger. See if we got enough there. Yep. Okay, we got a little bit of blood. See, now it's no big deal, guys. I was such a big chicken for nothing. And we put the blood on here. Okay, guys, at long last, we've got ourselves a reading. Because it counts down. It's going to give me my ketone number right here. Wow, ketone 4.7, you guys. I am really in strong ketosis right now, so doing everything apparently I should be doing. Hopefully you can see that says 4.7 right there. The first time I tested it, guys, I was at 2.2, so that's kind of an exciting number right there. And then when you're done, the cool thing is the Keto Mojo stores it for you, so it'll tell you the date and the reading. And then you can just throw away this little bloody strip and you're good to go. It turns itself off automatically. You only want to use the Lancet one time. So you're going to go ahead and just take it out and just throw it away. So guys, these are kind of the next purchases on the keto journey. for me. And I really am kind of excited about the ketosis meter, if you couldn't tell. You know, it just, like we talked about last week, there's no express written instructions on this diet on how to make it work perfectly. So when those keto strips start going light, you start getting a little nervous, like, oh no, I don't want to start over again, what's going on? So even if the scale's not moving as you want it to, if you've got, you know, a little bit of money to invest this and you can handle pricking your finger, and trust me when I tell you, if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's kind of a cool deal to be able to see exactly what your blood ketones are whenever you want. So guys, hopefully this was all helpful for you. If you guys have other meters, I'd love to know about it. How were you guys the first time you pricked your finger? Did you even care? Because I'm telling you, I was losing my mind for a little bit. All right, guys, so how was that? I want to hear your comments. Have you guys ever done keto snack boxes? What is your go-to keto snack? Also, do you guys have a ketone monitor? Do you actually prick your finger? And if so, are you a huge baby like me, or did you just tough it out because you guys are badasses? Let me know all that. Can't wait to see your comments. So guys, if you'll do me a favor, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and that will make sure you get all of our current content. And if you are new to Supposedly Chic, here are a couple of videos that I posted for you guys to get started. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and keto on.